I wasn't joking. I still have to keep talking. So updates.
Are we there yet?
We're not there yet. We're now in
Bogota.
Colombia. We kind of overshot.
Yes,
Wow.
we went just a bit too far. To be fair, the landing was amazing.
The landing was remarkable.
Best landing I've had.
Seriously incredible.
Must have been a really old car.
Even though it was 6 hours, nothing was provided. So you don't have screens. Agua, nada. A cafe, nada. Like, nada. So, like, you're like, if you did not bring water onto that flight...
Sorry for you. I couldn't pay for stuff.
Yeah, you can buy stuff, but should you want, like, you know,
because
a coffee...
all the other flights, you get something.
Yeah, I mean, like, on Delta, even if it's like a 2-hour flight, they offer you coffee and a little cookie. Yeah, the toilet is so small that I was knocking my head on the door.
Or you need some turbulence.
Yeah, and you're like, wee! Okay, our next flight is in the morning
hours.
in 12 hours. So we are going to be hanging around in Colombia. And the only shop is a Dunkin' Donuts. Score one for us.
Are we there yet?
We are one step away. It's really expensive at the airport, as per usual. But like, that dish is probably the most reasonable. How much was that? Like, when you got a free coffee. You got a free coffee, $18. So at Colombia, so we're leaving Colombia, get them our passports. And she's like, oh, I don't know if you're allowed to get into Costa Rica with the passports. Now, we have done our due diligence. We know what places we are allowed in with South African passports. And most, to be fair, most Central and Latin American countries allow South African passports, except Mexico. It took like 20 minutes for her to figure out if we were legitimately allowed into Costa Rica.
This is our place. Big rooster there. Knock, knock.
The water in Nicaragua, you cannot drink. So
No es bueno.
no es bueno. The place that we are staying in says you cannot flush the toilet paper. So that is going to be a very interesting experience, not flushing toilet paper.
You know what would be funny? It's such a habit, like you wipe and you drop
Yeah.
the toilet paper.
Oh, shit.
So now just...
You wipe and drop and you'll be like,
oopsie.
oh no.
I gotta get that out.